In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 0x80070006 error in Windows Update on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Just simply open the link that will be posted in the description box below. Now, once you open the link, you'll find this like this script. Then simply click on this download button. Now, once you have downloaded it, click on the folder icon and then double click on the new text document. Then click on the File tab. Okay, so let me close other blank pages or the pages. Then click on the File tab. Click on Save As. Choose Desktop. Name this as fix.reg. Okay, fix.reg. Save as type. Choose All Files and click on Save. Okay, you will notice this in the desktop. Right click and then select the option. Okay, show more options. Click on Merge. Click on Yes. Click on OK. And after doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting your Windows, search for Updates. Check for updates under the Best Match. Again, do not forget to restart after you have merged the command or the text that we have created in the desktop, and simply click the button Check for Updates. That will help you fix the issue. Okay? So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.